It's free reach. I don't know what else to say.
One other thing,
Yeah.
so we made a...
Where are you at with TikTok?
I've had one viral video so far.
How much are you posting?
Every day.
How much?
Once
One?
a day. Yeah,
More.
every day.
Listen to me. Because you guys already won on this, 4 a day. All you're doing last time, a year ago, was buying up underpriced real estate. And you were doing that on Instagram when it was already 4 or 5 years into the knowledge that Beverly Hills or Malibu or Manhattan was gonna be good. You just bought Manhattan in 1954 instead of 1898. Mm-hmm. TikTok is 1898.
I'm trying.
Good, try more. I mean it, because you can't get that moment back. You can't buy Facebook pre-IPO back. You could buy it when it was $20 on Wall Street, but that was already not $3, like I got it.
And we're feeling it right now too. You could see it on the
Dude,
platform.
it's crazy.
Dude, I'm telling you, I know what I'm talking. This is the one thing that will keep me relevant until the day I die. I understand underpriced organic attention of the consumers of the world wildly better than most people on earth. I keep saying it loud. And LinkedIn for multiple, you've got to post on LinkedIn 4 times a day. It will work. It's free reach. I don't know what else to say. There's nothing more. This is actually unbelievable timing. I had Brandon, who runs Wine Library, so we have this wine text thing. It's really working. And so obviously I feel very confident in our digital capabilities to grow the list. But I'm like, I'm always checking myself. I'm like, I wonder what's going on with traditional costs. New York Times was one of the biggest ways I built my dad's business. National New York Times ads on Wednesday. Is today Wednesday? Yep. On Wednesdays in the dining section. National dining section, full page ad, Wine Library, huge. I'm like, okay, that used to be $42,000 for a full page ad. I bet you it's like 20,000. I wonder I should run one just to really have any feel whatsoever to how print does in 2020. I'm like, Brandon, call the Times, find out how much it costs. He calls me back yesterday, he's like, hey, got the pricing. I'm like, all right, I was like excited. I was like, how much is it? He's like, 46,000. What? I like literally, I'm like in Chicago 2 days ago, I'm like, wait a minute, it's gone up 10%? He's like, yeah. I'm like, these fuckers. How the fuck is a full page print ad up 10% in cost from 1998? When there was no internet to have your attention. Mm-hmm. Anyway, nonetheless, TikTok 4 times a day.